morning, everybody. A lot to go over today. A dangerous day could be setting up. Hopefully it doesn't happen. Kansas City often gets protected. Something happens that stabilizes the atmosphere. Right now we do see one shower that just popped up near Leavenworth. If we get a lot of morning showers and thunderstorms, that would reduce the instability for the bigger ones that could happen later in the day. So just know that. Thunderstorms up near the Iowa border. At this moment, that one little shower near Leavenworth popping up. But if you look from the Kansas-Missouri state line all the way back to the west, there's really nothing developing except for that one near Leavenworth. So we'll watch it closely. I think it's going to destabilize, and I think it could be a very bad day with severe weather in our area. So let's watch, and hopefully it doesn't come together. But thunderstorms will be increasing later this afternoon, this evening. We need the rain, so there's a benefit to this. But the timing, 3 p.m. to midnight. Starting south and western Kansas City is the severe weather risk. All forms of severe weather are possible. More on that in a minute. And the good news, 1/2 inch to 2 inches of rain is likely. 1 to 2 inches in most spots. And the models have been trending towards producing 3 inches of rain this evening. So that would be quite a soaking considering how dry it has been. The risk of severe weather is a category or a level 4 out of 5. Here are the levels. So in the red, that's a level 4. In our area, it's a level 3 out of 5. But with the conditions that are there, we have not just the potential for large hail and damaging winds, but there's a 10% probability in this yellow area of strong or violent tornadoes, EF2s or stronger tornadoes within 25 miles of any one location. 10% chance within 25 miles of any one location. Down in Oklahoma, it's a 15% chance. But what does that really mean? Let's reverse it. That means there's a 90% chance there isn't a tornado within 25 miles of you. Okay, so we'll look at it that way. You can go your whole life without seeing a tornado unless one hits you. So we don't want that to happen. But today we have to watch it closely. 64 degrees, 0.11 of an inch of rain in our rain gauge. East-southeast wind at 14 miles per hour. It's humid with that 60-degree dew point, and the pressure is low at 29.69 inches. Warm air surging up into Kansas, setting the stage for that destabilization of the atmosphere. Notice on Powercast, watch the thunderstorms start cranking up at 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. Now we have these thunderstorms on this leading edge of this little band here, and it just looks like they could be severe by 6 or 7 o'clock this evening. That's when we really have to watch it, all right? And then those will go by. Heavy rain follows for hours. That's how we can get 1, 2, 3 inches of rain. And then a back edge will come in early tomorrow morning with some more showers and thunderstorms. All right. Today, now, cloudy to start the day. There's no rain at this moment in most areas. 81 this afternoon. Chance of rain is 30% this morning. 90% chance this evening. Heavy thunderstorms likely tonight. 1 to 2 inches of rain. Again, that's the silver lining. We need the rain. That would be great to get that much rain tonight. We'll see how that materializes. In our super 10-day forecast, Wednesday 67, Thursday 68, and then the chance of thunderstorms again Memorial Day weekend.